Yes. Hello, guys. Soon we're going to start. Just putting the links now. And yeah, let's post that. We'll wait now for more people to join. In the meantime, let's connect to the Workspaces. Okay, and we are live. We will wait 2 minutes and then we'll start. Pam, pam, pam. Yeah, welcome. Come along. Join also YouTube, guys. Join everywhere. Soon we will start. Hope everyone hear me, by the way. Let me know if you don't hear me, do hear me. See my screen, everything is fine. Yeah, in 1 minute we will start the announcement. I will give you all the details about the contest, what you win, how you apply, and so on. It will be very clear, don't worry. Okay, so I will start now. In 2 minutes, you guys will also see the contest post in X. And whoever here in the spaces, I advise you also to go to the Pump Fun stream or the YouTube stream so you could see my screen. This time it's very, very relevant. So let me show you. So in 1 minute, you will see the website of the contest, and this is the rules and what we offer. So the contest is going to be from the 11th of February to the 16th of February. The deadline is on same hour like now, okay, 12 p.m. EST time. And the winner announcement will be 1 day after, on the 17th of February. First prize will get $500 in USDC. Second prize will get $250 in USDC. And third prize will get $100 in USDC. Here are the rules. Your entire video must be created in Kolbo.AI. Okay, in Kolbo.AI platform. We will verify this. we will check that the generation is actually made in Kolbo.AI. The video length can be whatever you want, but it can't be more than 30 seconds. I advise you don't do it less than 20. You must integrate the pump fan logo in your video. In the contest webpage, you can also very easily download the pump fan logo. You must integrate it in some kind of way. Okay, use AI smartly to do it. It's not hard. You can put it in a graffiti wall. You can put it as a tattoo of someone. Be creative. That's the point. Even if you will make like the actual pill, for me, it's like enough. Okay? You just must integrate their logo somehow, in some creative way. Of course, you must follow us on X. In the competition contest page, you can just press on it and you will get to our X account. You need to join the Kolbo.AI community. You have here hyperlink and you can just press on it. And you will get to the community and then you just need to join. Or you can easily just go to our profile and enter the community. It's very easy. And you must tag Kolbo.AI and Pump Fan in your submission. Now, how you submit? You just comment in the post. Okay, you just comment in the post that I think just got published. So let's see. Yep. And I see it changed the website. So let's fix that. Yeah, that's what I wanted. I don't know why it changed it. Okay. I hope people will understand. Maybe let's, you know what? Let's do edit. Yeah, that way it will be more clear. Okay, cool. So you simply must put in the comment of that post your submission. You can even watch me now update the actual link in Lovable because I built this page in Lovable. So I'll tell them for the submit your entry, use this link for the post and make it extra clear. The submission is simply a comment to that post with all the rules and tags. Okay, so in few moments we will update as well the contest page. And basically, guys, that's it. Very easy. Create a video, max 30 seconds, integrate the pump fan logo, and kind of that's it. Make sure you comment here on the post, and that's it. Oh, another very cool thing. The first, well, it was the first 30 people, but we only have already only 20 people. The first 20 people now that will sign up will get 1,000 free Kolbo credits. Not Kolbo coins, Kolbo credits, okay? It's like credits to use in Kolbo.AI. It's basically those ones that you can use for any model. So yeah, hurry up and sign up your email here until it will get to 30. Okay, let's see. Probably Lovable finished. Let's update. Let's see that it works. Yeah, it brings us to the post. Cool. Okay, and in few moments it will get updated, probably in the main page already. Yeah, it's already there. Very cool. So that's it. If you guys have any questions, let me know. I think I will just say it again now because I know some people only joined now. So again, we today announced the contest. Okay, you can also see here this post for the contest. How you apply? Here are the rules. You need to create 30 seconds video using Kolbo.AI. Only Kolbo.AI. 100% Kolbo.AI. It can be only maximum 30 seconds. You need to integrate the Pump Fan logo in your video. Follow us and tag Kolbo.AI and Pump Fan. That's it. You can only submit once. Okay, we will only take the first video you submit. The deadline is the 16th of February, 12 p.m. EST, and the winners will be announced on the 17th of February, 12 p.m. EST, which is one day before the hackathon announced. So that's pretty cool. The winners will get, first prize will get $500 in USDC, second prize will get $250 in USDC, and the third prize will get $100 in USDC. Basically, that's it. The way to submit, I advise you to go to the contest Kolbo.AI page. It will take you to the page that have all the details, which you also can get 1,000 credits. Here we can see that already 3 people took their 1,000 credits. Submit here your email. The moment it finishes the spots, I will load all the emails that got signed up with 1,000 free credits. Okay? So yeah, so this is the contest page. You can see here all the rules very clearly. If you want to submit the entry, take in mind, again, it's very important. If you want to submit your entry, you're going to the actual post and you comment there the video result that you made, the edited video, okay? You just put here in the reply, your video. So yeah, that's basically it. We have a space I'm hosted in 1 hour, 50 minutes. So I will do some cool stuff now in front of you guys. Let me also share with you some details. So to protect ourselves also in terms of cybersecurity, we already hired a company that's going to help us. They now doing full security audit for Kolbo.AI to make sure we are protected. Another thing we started to check is lawyers. We want to make sure we are completely safe in terms of legal. So that's another thing we started to do. Another thing I want to share with you guys is that we are going to apply to Y Combinator, which is the biggest accelerator in the world. I think we have a chance. I don't know how much, because they probably don't like the crypto thing. But why not? You just need to put one video. I already filmed it, and yeah, that's it. Another cool thing, yesterday Kolbo.AI, hear me out, it was in national TV in my country, because one of the persons that is really famous about working with AI, he talked with me a few times. He really liked Kolbo.AI, and they did an article about AI videos, and he really made sure that they only work with Kolbo.AI, and everyone saw it, everyone sent it to each other, some cool people followed. So that's a cool development. Another thing you should know, we are going to have a lot of more protections about NSFW content, meaning nude content, sexual content, because it's very, very, very risky in terms of legal that your platform able to do certain stuff. Now, yeah, you can do even some stuff in GPT or Gemini, but they are huge companies. We are not. So we need to be much more careful. So we're going to have a lot more restrictions. It's going to be in a smart way. Like if someone will write, you want to make naked woman, he will get a woman, but you won't be naked. And if he will disable the prompt enhancement, it will give him an error. It won't take his credits. But yeah, you should know we are going to this direction because we are a legitimate company. And there is big risk in not doing those stuff. That's about that. What else I wanted to say? So yeah, we're working on some bugs also. There were some small bugs with the desktop app, which actually already got updated. So what's cool about the desktop app? The moment I update it and you open it, it's already telling you have an update. You see? Update available. Because it's not in the web, right? You always need to update it. So you just put your thing, here, restart now. And it will just open the installer, and that's it. It's that much easy. So it's extremely cool. So yeah, the desktop app got some updates. Let's actually install it. Why not? It supports Mac and supports Windows. If anyone have questions about the contest, I would love to answer. And maybe we'll do a small video even now live. Let's see if I will have enough time, but I think it could be cool. Could be fun. Yeah, so that's it. This is how much it's easy to update the desktop app. I mean, even enterprises don't have this much good experience, right? And it's also working on Mac. Another cool thing. I can't really show you guys, but we hired already developer to help us with the mobile app, because I can do it, but I don't have time. So I already have the mobile app of Kolbo.AI in my phone. Now it's only test app. It's not in the store, but yeah, that's like the goal, to get it to the store. So that's extremely cool. Maybe I will even take a screenshot and upload it later on. So soon you could use it in mobile, like in native way. Even the phone like vibrates when you type stuff. It's really cool. And yeah, so I think let's start working a little bit. I mean, we can make some cool stuff. Yeah, actually, you can see here the restrictions: naked woman, and he make her not naked. That's what's going to be, because there is nothing we can do. Like, we didn't invent the rules, and we need to be protected. So yeah, let's see if some people are asking something about the contest. If not, I will just make like something for the contest. The topic is free. Yes. Can create whatever you want. Okay, cool. So yeah, I guess let's try. Let's do some cool stuff. So I will go here to Kolbo. And remember, we need to integrate the icon of Pump Fun. So I will go here to the competition page. I will download the Pump Fun logo. Here it is. Just download it. And yeah, let's just make a script, right? So the first thing I will do, I will create a new project. And now I will record to him what I need to do. Actually, even easier, I can just copy and paste. It's more easy to tell them. I need to make a cool video that integrates a specific logo. It must be maximum of 30 seconds, and it must integrate that logo. It's for a competition, AI film competition. Let's think on some cool concept, and you will help me to develop them, create images and videos of them. Cool. And I guess I can put the logo for the project context and press proceed. So now what the project do is like, he's analyze the image, he analyze my prompt, and it will make me the project description. Let's see. Yeah, he understood it completely. Perfect. So I will do create. And now we have a new project. So now we're going to start creating some stuff. Let me exit some stuff here, because my computer a little bit slow already. Cool. So what I usually love to do, I'm adding here a few models. I probably want Claude. And here I probably want Gemini. And I will tell them, think on 3 different concepts with same style and visual style and so on. Something cinematic and cool related to that logo. Maybe it can be a epic chase for a briefcase that in the end we discover it have that pill. That's actually a cool concept. So what's cool about Kolbo multimodal, that it now generates answers for 3 different models in the same time. Perplexity, by the way, did a feature like that recently. We had it for months already. Let's see if we have some comments in the live here. Okay, so I really feel like my phone has been hacked. Yeah, there is a really weird comment in the live stream in X. I don't know what it is, so never mind. Cool, so he made me some concepts, right? Now, the cool thing about the multi-chat, I can just toggle between models and see what each of them thought, okay? So, for example, here, Gemini, he went to like a sci-fi kind of thing. Here is concept 1, hooded figure sprint, blah, blah, blah. Here he did sci-fi thriller. Here he did modern Western, assassin thriller. So, I don't know. Let's see what Grog did. Video prompt, cyberpunk as well, capsule odyssey, dusk. Usually Claude is the best in those stuff. So look, usually when I don't know what to choose. Wait, someone said that we gave only 150 credits. Let me explain. Only after all the submissions will finish putting the emails here, we will do the 1000 credits giveaway, okay? Don't worry. Okay, cool. So I answered about that. So what's cool about the multimodal, I can just press here, combine answers, and then it will try to analyze all the answers and give me one really good result. Yeah, so we went one of the neon one, 0G volt. Catalyst. I think I will go with concept tree. So now I can disable all of them and tell them, let's go with concept tree. And that's it. Like, this is how much it's easy. You don't even need to, I mean, you probably should use your brain, but like in a way, you can just go the full flow like that. So here it is. Now it gives me like the opening, the build, the reveal, and so on. And yeah, now it give me a shot-by-shot breakdown and visual style. Oh my God, he give me everything. Holy shit. Look at him. He just give me the strategy. I'm in shock. Create those hero images first. Oh my God. So basically, if I just want to create the images, I just press your image. I guess 16 by 9. Generate. Image. Generate. Image. Generate. That was easy. Now again, this is not the fine. Holy shit, look at him. And that's like the cheapest model in Kolbo. It's not Nano Banana, it's fucking Z image. It's like really cheap. And so again, what we're doing now is just like getting the inspiration, right? That's not the final images. And again, this is the cheapest model in Kolbo. This is why the automatic model chosen, because it's the best, cheapest model you can get. And okay, now let's look at it and think what we want to do. I think what we should do is maybe make our consistent characters first, right? So he probably even gave us the prompts. No. So I will disable here the create image. Let's make first the characters prompts. Let's see how many submit already for the 1000 free credits. Still 12 left. Come on, guys. Submit your email and you could get 1000 free credits. Maybe I even should upload an image about it because I think it's not clear enough. Let's let Grok one moment fix it. Ah, okay, he did it kind of lame. Cool. So now he created for us the characters prompt. So I can just press your image. Let's make 2 images of each one. Yeah, and very soon we will have our characters. Then after we have the characters, we will train a visual DNA on them. Why made her with these ugly green eyes? That's what I don't like. But he kind of made them. Yeah, they look different. So that's the thing with AI, you need to lock in the characters first. So I guess I can go with him. With her, I don't like it at all. I think because he made these green weird eyes. So let's look at the prompt one moment. Gray eyes. And in the meantime, we can train visual DNA with this guy. So let's copy that image. I will press here on visual DNA. I will create new one. Character. Pass the image. Let's call him Sam or whatever. I can choose if it's a product, character, style. Like we have a full easy way to control it. And I'm just creating the visual DNA. Now, visual DNA, it's like our way to train models. We also have like Flux training, which is like LoRa training. It's something technical. But honestly, this thing works way better. So here is Sam. He already trained. And here, let's call her, I don't know, LoRa, whatever. Cool. So we have LoRa, copy image, visual DNA, create new character, passing the image, and creating the visual DNA of LoRa. Let's see how many people signed up already. Okay, 2 more. Great. Okay, and LoRa is trained. Great. Now I want you to see that style I'm going to do now, okay, of workflow. So we have all that script, right? I'm going to copy that script. And I'm going to edit here. No, actually, let's do it better. Make me project description, new one for the project based on those 2 new consistent characters and the chosen concept we have. So now it's going to make me a new project description. The reason I'm doing that is to build better prompts. Soon you will understand what I'm saying. Now this is like very advanced technique, okay? Like I really understand if people won't understand now what I'm doing. Yeah, I changed the names because it is the one that decided on the names. And I didn't really tell them I will do LoRa and shit, but honestly, I can just change it. Marcos and Vera. Let's change it one moment. Vera. Oh shit, it's training it again. Need to add it to my tasks. Okay, this is Vera and Marcos. By the way, something cool, you can auto-detect the character age, body type, gender, stuff like that. Whoa, what happened here? Okay, yeah, here it is, but something weird happened. That's another bug we need to take in mind. So for now, never mind. Whoa. Great, and we have Vera and Marcos. Now I just copied that project description. I will go here to my project description. And I will just paste it and save. Now I have a project with much better context. Why I did it? Because now I can actually go here to the Creative Director tool, which is my favorite tool. I can choose here Cinema, for example, Z image, 21:9. I can open here the help widget and tell him, make me Creative Director prompts for each scene. Each scene will have 8 shots probably. So give 8 shots prompts for each scene. The whole story probably should have 2 or 3 scenes. Now, why I did that, it's because the Kolbo.AI is aware to what is the creative director tool. And as you can see, is writing me multiple shots in the same prompt. Soon you will understand why. Okay, so the problem is, I can already see it, he don't know how Vera looks. And that's a problem. So what we can do is go back to the chat tools and tell him, this is Vera, and just pass the prompt that we used to create her. And this is Marcos. Don't use their names. Use the visual description of them. Okay, so that's one way to do it, that you basically describe your characters in the prompts, okay, not with names. Because the AI doesn't know what is Vera and Marcos. He have no idea. He know maybe famous people, but not them. Okay, let's try it. Now again, it probably won't give us the consistent characters. Soon I will show you how we're going to get them. What I just want to show you now is how the creative tool works. You give him one huge prompt and he make 8 different scenes in the same time, okay? So you can see. And by the way, you are not limited. You can send as many as you want while it's working. He's not getting tired. Most platforms just block you at this moment, right? Let's see if we can already deliver the free credits. Oh yeah, 3 spots left. Very, very soon we put out the credits. So yeah, I actually kind of kept them. But yeah, you see at some images, he lost the characters. And that's fine. We're just doing it now for visuals to, you know, experiment. Honestly, some images here I probably can use. Okay, so let's say we want to make it with our actual characters, okay? What we can do is tell them to use the characters names as, and see that I'm doing hot, Vera, and Marcus. Why I do it? Because now when I'm doing here this sign, I can actually choose them. For example, I can choose here Marcus walking in the street. And you will see it actually create Marcus, okay? It's making the same character. Now it really depends what model you choose. We are going to choose now expensive model, Nano Banana Pro. But soon we will have really good prompts and I think it will work great. Let's see. And more than that, I'm going even to do another trick that I'm going to show you. No, let's keep on the cinema mode. Great, so let's pass the prompt. And I'm going to choose, yeah, by the way, you can see here it's Marcos. And all I said is image 1 walking in the street. So now I can choose Marcos and Vera. I can choose here a strong model like Nano Banana Pro. I can do here 8 images, 21:9, and generate. So what's going to happen now is that it's going to use our consistent characters in each prompt. Why? Because we put that small sign and he knows that this is the visual DNA of each one. Now, again, I could also just simply write Marcos and Vera laughing together in a bar, and that will work too, right? It's just that I wanted to do it in a fast way and with our script. I don't want to write it manually. I don't like it. I like to work with big context all the time, right? Okay, I think probably everyone signed up. Yeah, okay. So guys, now I'm going to get all the emails and give away the free credits. So I'm going to go now to Lovable. We're going to, I can't show you that, but I'm going to get to the database of all the emails. I'm going to fetch all the images to Cloud Code, and then it will just give away all the credits. I already made a script for it. Let's see, user database, waitlist, perfect. Cool, I have all the emails. And okay, I can't really show you, but let me show you. So what I did now, I copied everything from Lovable. And now Cloud Code is going to send all the emails. 1,000 credits. Let's see if I can show you without risk. Yeah, you see? He's running and give them, all of them, 1,000 credits. Cool. So, now you're supposed to have it. Oh, okay. Some users didn't sign up to Kolbo, so they never got the credits. Well, if you have problems, let me know. And oh my fucking god, look at that. Look at that. That's a whole story from one prompt. And here you can see them in a bar. That's amazing. Now I'm going to show you something even more amazing. In Kolbo, you have something unique called grid mode. I can even do here cinematic. And if I will just copy that prompt and send it, he's going to make 8 images, but in reality, we're going to get 32 images. Soon you will see what I mean. If anyone have any questions, that's the time. Let's see what's going on in X. Yeah, so as I said, you must have an active account so we could send you the 1,000 credits. Okay, it's really important. Perfect. So let's see. Oh, fuck yeah, look at it. Look at it. It's so cinematic, it's so beautiful, and the beauty of it, we're getting 4 images in the cost of 1 image. Do you guys even understand how much unique it is? How much cool it is? Beautiful. So basically, he's chasing, he's thinking, he's, the concept is like he's trying to find this suitcase. I see he kind of ignored the woman a little bit, but here he did some images with her. But look how many images that I can work with. Now, what's really cool about the grid mode, that now I can just split all the images at one instance. Check this out. So this one won't be good because it's vertical, but actually I think it will still work. When I press here now split, whoop, it's going to make me 32 images. Look at fucking that. That's amazing. Yeah, those one got fucked up because it was supposed to be 21 by 9, but that's fine. Look at that. Look how many images that we can work with. And now the beauty of it, that I can simply drag and drop the images I want to animate. So for example, I can put that. that, 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 that. And that. Now I'm going to choose a quite cheap model actually. I think Minimax Fast Pro. I'm just going to have handheld shakes. And honestly, I'm not even going to write a prompt. Let's add another one, maybe like, yeah, this one could be good. Again, why did it? Actually, Grok is extremely fast. Let's use Grok and generate. So the beauty of what I did now is that it's going to generate 8 videos in the same time. Okay, I don't need to wait. And that's beautiful. I love it. Okay, I'm running now again the script of the free credits for anyone that maybe signed up and still didn't get his thing. And yeah, soon we're going to get here 8 different videos very, very fast. Holy shit. Can you believe it? Look how much fast it is. Yeah, Grok fucked up a little bit the images. That's something known, and it's fine. We can fix it in the editing. I think my okay, cool. Now I can just go to my media library, watch everything. Okay, I think what left is making the pill image, right? So we can get here only to the. Honestly, I think we have one image for that already. Let's see. Let's do here choose from library. We made one image with the peel. Yeah, honestly, I don't even need to use my brain. I can just use again Grok, kind of generate, and that's it. Whoops, that's a bug. Let's see. Yeah, if something like that happen, you just do stop generation and all good and generate. Ah, whoops, it was still making videos. I didn't notice. Ah, never mind. I think it's the woman one, right? Yeah. So all good. We can always put the woman and generate that as well. Cool. Yeah, so I think now I can remove it or uh, maybe I just remove it and that's it. I don't know. It's confusing, right? Let's remove it. This is actually really solid. The workflow feel clean, and I can already see the creative potential. Can't wait to experiment with it for the contest. Yeah, man, for sure. Really curious to see what you guys will make. Yeah, so I kind of finished. So now I want to show you how easy it is, okay, to move from Kolbo to video editing software. Here, by the way, you can already see some videos I'm making about Kolbo and my journey with it to my socials. But let's make a completely new video just for what we just made. Okay, create. Now I will log in to my account. Let me move it one moment. Cool, so I'm logged in. And I want you guys to see how much it's easy. I'm simply going to go here. Again, I'm in the desktop app, okay? To download the desktop app, just go in Kolbo to the apps here and press Kolbo Studio. It will bring you to the landing page of the desktop app and download it. Now, I just go here to my media. I select my new project or all projects, whatever I just made. And here is all my media. Now, this is the crazy part. I can just select all the videos and drag and drop them. It's that much easy, okay? And now I can just edit it in DaVinci, which is my favorite editing software. But like, no one really have this ease of use. You always need to download it, choose folder, stuff like that. No one wants it, right? Let's change the resolution. Cool. And I think actually because Grok did its thing, now it will also look correct. Almost. Cool. So, yeah, we got here all the videos. I think we can start with that shot. And in the meantime, we can actually create our music. So let's go here to Kolbo. Let's here choose our correct project. Go to music. Open the prompt copilot. My computer barely move, I have to say. It's really annoying. Let's try to close everything here. Okay, it's a bit better. Yeah, good. And now I will just open a new session and say, make me music prompt for the project film. And basically that's it. It's going to make a really cool prompt probably. Here I can choose a preset. You guys won't hear it because I'm only with the microphone, but yeah, so it gave me some cool prompts. Okay, that's the prompt. I mean, yeah, sure, let's try. And create. Now you need to make sure you not toggle on lyrics because you want probably instrumental one. Now we'll tell him, give me 3 variations as ready to pass code prompts. Let's see, I will see some comments. Cool. Okay, so now I'm making the music. In the meantime, I can kind of just edit it. So let's do this. That will be like the established shot. What is this one? We will do it later. Yeah, we can do, I guess in the beginning it's like alone. Why my computer barely move? It drives me crazy. I guess it's all the streaming shit. Let's close that. Maybe that. Yeah, I have here already the music. And I can just create more music variations. Like, it's so cheap that honestly I don't care. It's only 15 credits for 2 tracks. Although we kind of make something cool here. So hopefully now my computer moves faster. Yeah. So I can delete that. Just selecting some shots. Honestly, I would make it completely different probably. Yeah, it doesn't really work in the edit, but it's fine, just for demonstration. Doing some tricks. Okay, I need this end. Oh yes. Okay, cool. And now I just go to the start. Have here already my music created for me. And I kind of can just drag and drop it and that's it. Wait, I will show also the guys in the phone. So look what we made in 20 minutes. Music, images, script, everything in fucking 20 minutes. Can you believe it? This is what we made, guys. This is what we made. Any other platform. Now, I'm not talking about the quality. Of course, you can make it much better. We did it in 20 minutes and I didn't even plan. But can you imagine the potential? Look how fast you can work. It's just natural, you know? You don't need to fight the platform. The platform works with you. So, yeah, go create. It was extremely fun to host that. And I'm so pumped to just see what you guys create. Can't wait to see it. And that's it. Thank you very much to anyone that came. In 10 minutes, I go live in another space. I will try to put a link. Thank you.